In family trusts, there are a number of players. There's the settlor, meaningless, drops $10 in the trust just to get it started, just to prime the trust, and it's gone. So let's forget about the settlor. The two main players are the trustee and the appointor. Now, at first blush, the appointer looks to be a very important chap or company or group of people, because you can have a couple of trustees, you can have a company as trustee. However, that's not the case. The trustee has all the assets in their name, so they look quite important. The bank accounts are in the trustee's name, the property's in the trustee's name, but as trustee for the family trust. Now, the beauty of the family trust is the appointor is the person in command. So let's call the appointor God, and let's call the trustee a puppet, because exactly what they are. The appointor can sack the trustee, whether it be a company or a human or a group of humans. The appointor can sack at a whim, for any reason at all, the trustee. I don't like what you do, Mr. Trustee. I don't like the colour of your eyes. You're sacked. That's what the appointer can do, and that's the power of God. Every year, you need to make a distribution out of your family trust to distribute the profit. The trustee says, "Excuse me, sir, Mr. Appointor, I'd like to make a distribution, sir, of the family trust of some capital income. I've got some suggestions here. Could you please approve it?" And the appointor, will either approve it or not approve it. So it's vitally important that if you're in a family trust, make sure you're the appointor. The other disadvantage in being a trustee, as well as being a puppet, is that if the family trust goes down, goes insolvent, like you might have made a mistake in running your business, which is high risk of bankruptcy, and you might also have $1 million worth of shares. If the business goes down, the shares are all at risk and will probably go down as well. So all the assets in the family trust are lost. It's a bit like the Michael Jackson song, "One bad apple spoils the whole darn bunch." I don't know if I can sing it. "One bad apple spoils the whole darn bunch." First I've ever sung on a training video. That means that one asset will contaminate another, and that's why you should have a clean-skinned family trust. You should have two family trusts, one with the risky business assets and one with the nice, clean, safe assets like shares. The trust becomes insolvent. Potentially, the trustee is also at risk of going insolvent as well. So it might be the case, if you can find someone to be the trustee, it might be better than you being the trustee. So if the trust does go down, the trustee goes bankrupt, but not you. So maybe you might want to have a company as the trustee. They're the two differences. Now, at the moment, you can change those appointors, change those trustees as you see fit. If you need a hand, telephone us. We can give legal advice and help you answer those questions. Enjoy the advantage of dealing directly with a law firm.